Hi everyone, welcome back to Jessie Lifestyle at Home. In today's video, we are going to be opening up our pool. It's my favorite time of year. I love getting my backyard cleaned and looking good. We tried something different last year when we covered the pool. I live in Maryland, so we don't keep our pool open all year long. So last year we added water bags along the edge of the pool, and I honestly think it helped. Like, this looks really gross and disgusting, but we really had a lot of issues with worms and like solids getting into the pool, animals dying, just like worms and frogs and all kinds of things. But this year we had hardly any worms on the bottom. It's a lot of algae because we've had a lot of hot and cold fluctuations in the spring. But honestly, this is not too bad. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add some chemicals to the pool. We're going to shock it like it's never been shocked before. Maybe scoop out some of the algae on top, but we're really just going to let the shock do its thing. And my husband is going to work on installing the pump because we take it out every year so the pipes don't freeze. And my little baby boy Malcolm is going to go around and screw in all of the little anchor points for the pool cover. So this is how it looked the next day. It was looking pretty good already. Still really cloudy because we do have some algae and some debris in the water. We don't have any other chemicals except for the shock in the pool, and everything has pretty much settled to the bottom. And then we're going to struggle with the pole and the hose. I hate cleaning a pool this way, but the reason why we do it with the pole at least one time a year is because we can evacuate it right out through the pump and out to the backyard, and get rid of all of the chunkiness on the bottom of the pool. Of course, the next day it started raining, which was kind of sad, but that gave me a chance to open up my new cordless robot pool cleaner. So thank you to Dreame for sponsoring today's video. They have sent me the Dreame Z1 Pro cordless robotic pool cleaner. And since it's raining, I figured I'd do an unboxing and get it charged and ready. Everything you need is right in the box. It even comes with an easy quick start guide. It has a Li-Fi remote and a retrieval hook along with the charger. The Dreame Z1 Pro is a big machine, which is okay because I have a pretty big pool. The big LED display changes colors for different actions, and I love the big the magnetic charger. The lithium-ion battery allows over 180 minutes continuous pool floor cleaning, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning of pools up to 2,100 square feet. And yeah, we have a really pretty big pool, so this thing will get used all of the time. Here is a close-up of the front brushes. Look at the big wheels. This thing can climb up walls and clean the water line as well. And I love that it has brushes in the back as well. It has a really nice handy handle. Here's the bottom. You have the dual brushes again, and there is the intake. The filter basket cover is a push button. You just push it open, get the basket out. It's a really big basket as well. I don't know if we're going to be able to fill it, but we are certainly going to try. So here is a close-up of how the pool is looking. We still have some debris. See the little froggy swimming around? We still have some debris in the bottom of the pool, so we're going to put this Dreame Z1 Pro to work. Can manually start this, press the on button, hit the mode button, and it will resume a feature. But I highly encourage you to download the app because you can customize. There's so much customization, and once you do that in the app, you turn on your robot and then you just put it in the pool and it will run its routine. Once the cordless robotic pool cleaner is in the pool, it will perceive the pool environment. The Dreame Z1 Pro is the world's first robotic pool cleaner with a triple surround fusion perception system utilizing a combined sensor technology including ultrasound, 3D structure light for complete environmental awareness. And the 8,000 gallon per hour powerful suction dual brushless motors delivers impressive suction for lasting and unmatched performance. So it did a great job. My walls are kind of tilted in the deep end, and it did a really good job. The pool cleaner also uses a path planning and an S shape for floor cleaning, so not to miss any debris. So as you see, it is doing an S pattern on like the short side, but you can also set it to go lengthwise. And I have a 16 by 32 foot pool, I believe. And we have a slanted deep end. Our deep end is only 7.5 feet tall, and our shallow end is, I think, 3.5 feet tall. Malcolm can stand up in it now. The Dreame Z1 Pro is definitely a must-have for busy families with a pool, because this is going to save us so much time. We don't have to sit there with long hoses and struggle and have to think about the pool too much. We can just set it and forget it. The Dreame Z1 Pro is going to make this the best summer ever. The wall cleaning feature uses an N shape to ensure a thorough cleaning. The horizontal waterline cleaning effortlessly navigates up and down the waterline to cover more spaces without missing a beat. The included Li-Fi remote control for instant spot cleaning and retrieval. There's so many options with this remote. You do have to be close to the robot when doing it, so just stand at the edge of the pool. You can't do it from like across the yard or anything, but it's very cool to have this option. And once the robot is done, it will come to the edge and sit there for like 5 minutes. So you can grab it right here, or if you're a bit longer, you can always use the retrieval hook to get it from the bottom of the pool. Once you have retrieved the robot from the pool, you can just press the little button, get out the filter basket, and clean it with a hose. We have a lot of nasty in the pool filter, but just a quick squirt down with the hose gets it right back to new. No long wait times to charge either. You can just dry off the metal connectors and start charging your Dreame right away. Thank you so much to Dreame Z1 Pro for sponsoring today's video. If you were in the market for a robotic pool cleaner, this is definitely the best on the market, and I will leave the links in the description box below.